Ankles are so important because this is the part of your body that lengthens down and out through your foot, but it's also where you lift up and out of your foot. So that way you're lengthening up through your leg and through the rest of your body. Ankles are tricky though. They're easy to sickle, they're easy to roll out and pronate and do funky things that don't belong. And so you need to detail your ankles. Now, before you even go up for your toe stands or point work, you should already have very strong ankles. If you're not there yet and you're not finding stability on just a releve, to be rather blunt, you have no business doing toe stands or point work. Those ankles are part of your pedestal. They're going to be what lifts and lengthens and allows for the mobility, and you need to have some really awesome strength happening in there. I will see you tomorrow as we talk about full body alignment. I will see you then.